Hello and welcome to this video. In this video onward, we will be looking at data structures and algorithm. Now let us start with the data structures. Data structure is a storage that is used to store and organize data. It is a way of arranging data on a computer so that it can be accessed and updated efficiently. Now algorithm is a collection of steps to solve the problem. Now coming back to data structure, depending upon your requirement and project, it is important to choose a right data structure for the project. For example, if you require to store the data linearly, you can go with list data structure in Python. Then there are mainly two types of data structure. The first one is linear data structure and the second one is non-linear data structure. In a linear data structure, elements are arranged in a sequence one after another and the memory is allocated at once, and then the elements are added to the memory one after another. But after passing a certain amount of element, the linear data structure may get hard to access and consume more memory. The example of linear data structure are array data structure, stack, and queue. In array data structure, the element in a memory is arranged in a continuous memory. All the elements of array are of the same type, and the type of element can be stored in the form of array is determined by the programming language. Stack data structure. In a stack data structure, elements are stored in last in first out approach. That is, the element which is stored at a last will be removed first. You can imagine the pile of book which is kept on a table where you can access the book at the top, and if you want to add the book you can only add that book at the top. So in this way you can imagine the stack data structure. Then we have queue. In a queue, the data is added in the first and removed from the last, which means the data stored in a queue at the last will be removed first. Now we also have a linked list. In a linked list data structure, the data elements are connected through a series of nodes, and each node stores the data and address of a next element. Now let us go toward the nonlinear data structure. Unlike linear data structure, the elements in nonlinear data structure are not arranged in any particular sequence. Instead, they are arranged in a hierarchical manner where the element will be connected to one or more element in a series. Nonlinear data structure are further divided into graphs and trees. So graph in a graph data structure, each node is called as vertex and the vertex is connected to another vertices through edges. In a tree, as similar to graph, the tree also have a vertices and edges, but in a tree data structure, there can only be one edge between the two vertices. The most common tree which is used is binary search tree, where each node has two childs attached to it. Now let us see some differences between linear data structure and nonlinear data structure. The data items arranged in a sequential order in linear data structure, and in nonlinear data structure, the element does not have any specific order. In linear data structure, all the items are present in a single layer. In nonlinear data structure, they might be present in different layers. In linear data structure, memory utilization is not that efficient. In nonlinear data structure, memory utilization is efficient as compared to linear data structures. Now let us move toward algorithms. Algorithms are nothing but a steps to solve a problem. Now the algorithm to be good, it should have input and output which is clearly defined. Each step in an algorithm should be clear and unambiguous. Algorithm should be most effective among many different ways to solve the problem. An algorithm should not include computer code. Instead, it should be written in any language and can be implemented and should be written in any other computer language. Now, why should we learn data structures and algorithm? Every big company like Google, Facebook, Amazon, or Netflix, they ask programmers about data structures and algorithm questions in their respective interviews. So if you want to clear these interviews, you must know data structure well. So if you know the data structures and algorithm precisely, you can clear every interview of any big company. So it is always important to learn data structures as a programmer because it helps us to improve our thinking and the logic to solve any problem. So data structures are very important and every programmer must learn it. I hope you have got an idea about data structures and algorithms. In the next video onward, we will be looking in depth about data structures. So thanks for watching this video and I will see you in the next one.